I want to give you some content formulas that I've developed over the years and discovered that work really well. I'm going to give these to you on an exercise, on a written exercise here in just a little bit as well. I'm going to talk them through, and you maybe want to take some notes, but I'm going to give these to you. Okay. All right. So rapid fire here. So one is a dilemma and a solution. An example is, does losing belly fat feel impossible? Eat these 3 foods to make it easier. So there's a dilemma that you're facing. Okay. Want to meet more high quality men online? Here's the one place where you can find them. Next, an opportunity, but also a barrier. Okay. So I found the love of my life, but he wasn't interested in me. Another one is a mistake of intuition. I call these mistakes of intuition. This is kind of my favorite one personally. I thought that exercise would help me lose weight, but I was completely wrong. Okay, a mistake of intuition. If you create a blog post or a social media post, and the title is, I started exercising to lose weight, but it made me heavier, that's super interesting. Right? It's super interesting because, right, someone who wants to lose weight, they want to know what happened there. What does that mean? Okay, so mistake of intuition. News. News is a perennial attention grabber, okay? And it's stuff that's new, right? So new laws make it faster and easier than ever to launch your own online business. So that's going to grab attention because you've got something new, and you can use words like announcing, or now there's something new possible. Also, hacks are really great approaches for creating content. One simple trick to lowering your golf score. Okay, people love hacks, right? How to build your website, in half the time. 2 tricks, 3 steps. Okay, next, a story of failure or success of a client. How this busy corporate executive launched her own business in a weekend. All right, so let's say that you're a business coach and you're creating content. You could create a piece of content, with some boring thing in it, like how to file IRS forms when, forming a corporation, for a business, which that's not that attention getting, and it's not that interesting. Now, it turns out, your client may need to do those things, but that's not what they're interested in, but if they see something that is about how a busy corporate executive launched their own business in a weekend, they go, oh, I want to launch my own business. Let me go check that out. A story of failure or success from your life. Okay, so here's how my marriage ended up in divorce and how you can avoid this in your relationship. Yeah. So you can tell the story of what your client either wants or wants to avoid. And you can tell it about yourself or about another client or about a case history. This is very attention getting. Another one, an insightful quote and an explanation. So here's one of my favorite quotes. It's easier to resist at the beginning than the end. Okay, I love that quote. Right? It's easier to resist at the beginning than the end. Anyone ever heard that? Love that one. So you could say, like, it's easier to resist at the beginning than the end. You could put it in quotes, and then you could say, wise words from Leonardo da Vinci. What was he talking about? Weight loss. Now, I just made up the weight loss part right there. But, you could say, right, wise words from Leonardo da Vinci on weight loss. Or you could say wise words from Leonardo da Vinci, on dating a narcissist. Or wise words from, Leonardo da Vinci on whatever, right? On meditation. And it's inherently attention grabbing. And then you can just go into an exploration. Another one is to use this formula. And I'll write this down on the board here. Okay. How to, let me get rid of that pen. That's a junk one. Okay. How to get benefit or avoid fear. Okay. How to get benefit or avoid fear. And then you can kind of amplify this with quick, easy, low hassle. Okay. The words how to are such a powerful starting point. If you don't know what to start your blog post or your video title or whatever, just start with how to, and it'll kind of put your brain. So how to get a benefit or avoid a fear. And this is back to asking, what is it that's emotionally motivating them right now? What's most motivating to them? Okay, so how to win the horse jumping competition. You know, how to get your kid into an Ivy League school, right? Or how to, avoid dying of a heart attack, or how to, avoid marrying somebody that'll destroy your life, or whatever it is. This kind of, focuses the attention in a way that is, it's useful for you as the content creator, or the teacher, because it like points your mind in the direction of what your clients want and want to avoid. And then you can add quick, easy, low hassle, so how to get your kid, how to get your teen into an Ivy League school in a weekend, how to get your kid into an Ivy League school, and save $100,000 in the process. Some other benefit you can put in, on the end, which will really kind of juice the attention, grabs the attention more.